Hey guys, welcome back to the top exciting AI news for this week. So for this week, the domains that we'll be covering for our AI news will be really exciting. So we're going to talk in AI art generation, generative AI coding, LLMs, and much more. And also we'll be discussing all these tools in this AI news as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So in AI art generation, the tools that we'll be covering will be Suno AI, Hailuo AI, Heygen AI, and Meta's new movie Gen. Alright, so starting off with AI music, we have another update regarding Suno AI. Suno AI has unveiled their new feature, which is replace section. So in the official X post by Suno, they have clearly advertised like the replace sections of your songs. Pro and Premier users can now change lyrics and add instrumental breaks like a guitar riff or drum break. So this new feature will be a game changer for music creators, this feature will allow them to have great control over their composition, which will make it a lot easier to fine-tune their tracks without having to redo like entire sections, because now you can go ahead and edit that. So they have given like the whole procedure, like how you can go ahead and do that. So I'll be demonstrating you live in this video. So if I go ahead and go to a Suno AI, their official website, and let's just say if I create any song, so I'm going to head to my library over here. And in that, let's just say I pick any songs, which is this one, Hearts in Harmony. And over here, we're going to click on three dots of the songs, click on edit. And now we'll get a new option, which is replace section. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on that, so over here, you guys can see you'll be able to now edit the lyrics of the song. You can go ahead and change the style. Like you can replace any section of your song that you like. The customization is basically now endless. You can go ahead and play around with anything you want. You can change the beat, change the lyrics. So, this entire process is going to save a lot of time and create faster creations by providing quick access to edits and instrumental breaks for musicians, right? Alright, so next up in AI art generation and specifically in AI video generation, we have a groundbreaking news regarding Hailuo AI. So Hailuo AI has unveiled their image to video feature now. So previously, you guys saw we reviewed Hailuo AI and how crazy it was. Like it was very close to Sora AI and the video generation were absolutely perfect in those, right? But now on their official X post, they have clearly advertised like the wait is over. We are excited to announce the launch of our image to video feature, right? So yeah, they also have stated few of the features as well, like, the text to image joint instruction following, and we have powerful processing and precise control and diverse styles. So over here, you guys can see they also have given us some before and after generation, like how the video generation was before with only textual prompts and how it's going to change drastically with their image to video generation, right? So yeah, no doubt, it is basically one of the huge update and I'm very much excited to test this out. So we're going to go ahead and do that in our full review of Hailuo AI. So if you're wondering how you can access that, so let's just say if I go to the official website of hailuoai.video, so you guys can clearly see that the website has completely redesigned. We have the subscribe to that. Now you can go ahead and get the subscription version of Hailuo AI as well, which is like really reasonable according to me, which is $9.99 per month. One of the cheapest subscription for AI video generation, like keeping in mind how good this tool is. And now if you head into the prompt box, so you'll be able to see the image button right over here as well. So if you go ahead and click on that, so now you can go ahead and upload images in Hailuo AI as well for your image to video generation, right? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and test this amazing feature out in our full video, you guys, okay? Alright, so another exciting news we received from Heygen AI is that Heygen partnered up with HubSpot for blog to video automations. So you guys might be familiar with Heygen, which is one of the best AI tool for creating AI avatars and how you can automate your videos with the help of this AI tool, right? And HubSpot, this is no doubt one of the best AI tool for AI custom powered platforms that will help you grow your business. So now these two AI tools have partnered up for creating your amazing blog to video automation. So, automating blog to video conversion is going to save marketers and business hours of manual work, making content more accessible in different formats. And they have also given us a demo video in that as well, like how it's going to basically look like. So you're going to go ahead and take a blog, come into Heygen, and you'll get the option to basically convert your blog into video, and with just few steps, like with few clicks, you'll be able to convert your blog into video, which will be very good for your social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and enhancing SEO through multimedia content, okay? And lastly, the most amazing news of AI art generation is by Meta. So in competition with Sora AI at Meta also premiered their Meta Movie Gen, which is, they state, the most advanced media foundation models to date. So in their official expos, they have announced that they introduced an AI text-to-video generation model, which they named as Movie Gen. So developed by AI research teams at Meta, Movie Gen delivers state-of-the-art results across a range of capabilities. And they have also given some details and examples of what Movie Gen is capable of and what it can do. So it will be basically a 13 billion parameter transformer model. So yeah, they are basically just going head-to-head in competition with Sora AI, which was a creation of OpenAI. So yeah, here we have the sample video of Meta Gen, and all of these videos are created with Movie Gen of Meta AI. And you know, by the first look at those, these all look really, really good, really perfect. Like, I'm very much amazed by how good these videos are. So if you go ahead and see the actual examples by Meta on their official website, so yeah, here are some clips of how the video is going to look with the help of textual prompts in Movie Gen. So yeah, you guys can see here is the first example. So a girl is running across a beach holding a kite. And yeah, we don't see any deformation. And you know, the way camera is moving and we're getting that cinematic effect is absolutely incredible. And this is the second one, okay? And take a look at how good we have the consistent character over here, right? Like in all of our frames, the face is looking really, really good. And then we have this one, we have the lighting effect. And all of these videos, I must really say, these all look exactly like Sora AI videos. So yeah, I'm very much excited to see how this is going to release and how all of these videos are going to look. So yeah, it's going to basically allow you to use lots of features, like you'll be able to edit video with text as well. You will be able to produce personalized videos, create sound effects and soundtracks. So yeah, Meta has basically stepped into the world of AI video generation. So yeah, let's just see how they're going to turn out once this AI model will be released. Then in generative AI, the tools that we'll be covering are Google's new Imagine 3 in Gemini and the new open source AI video generator Pyramid Flow. Alright, so in our next category of generative AI, we have a very exciting update from Google Gemini. So on their X post, they have introduced like image generation with Imagine 3. So they have introduced their new version of Imagine, which is now Imagine 3. Is available to all Gemini users around the world. So they state like Imagine 3 is going to be their highest quality image generation model yet and brings an even higher degree of photorealism, better instruction following, and fewer distracting artifacts than ever before. So they're basically going head to head with the image generation model of OpenAI, which is DALL-E 3, and that's why this named is as Imagine 3. So yeah, I'm really much excited to basically compare both of them, like how it's going to look. So if you go to the official website of Gemini, so obviously you can go ahead and try this out by inputting any prompt. Like obviously the paid version would be better. So let's just say if I input, so here you guys can see now it is basically creating our images with Imagine 3, which is stated by Google their latest model of image generation. So yeah, you guys can see this is the result I got for now. So this is an animated image of a duck holding an umbrella, and now the images look really, really good. By the first look of this Imagine 3, we can clearly see like obviously the images look really, really refined at the present, right? So yeah, we're going to go ahead and test this out in our full video. All right, another exciting news in generative AI is that now a new high quality AI video generator, Pyramid Flow, launches, and yeah, it is completely fully open source. You can go ahead and basically download it right now. You can use it on Hugging Face, or you can use the official GitHub repository to download it via open source and use it right now. So yeah, some of the cool features that is stated that with now, you'll be able to create up to 10 seconds in length video quickly and all open source. And if you go ahead and go to their one of the official posts, so yeah, it has basically stated some of the more features, like you will utilize flow matching. It will generate high quality 10-second video. Video resolution is going to be 768p. Frame rate 24 FPS, and supported image to video generation model is going to be there as well. And yeah, here we have one of the sample video that the community have created with the Pyramid Flow. And another very cool thing, they stated that at inference mode, the model will be able to generate a 5-second 384p videos in just 50 seconds, which they state is much, much faster and they're gonna go head to head with the Runway's famous Gen 3 Alpha Turbo creation. So yeah, I'll be testing out this model in my upcoming video of this week, so make sure to check that out as well. And over here you guys can see we have some of the sample videos that people have created with Pyramid Flow. So yeah, first of all, we have this video. So wow, this looks really good. We don't see any deformation, and you know, like the way this camera is moving, it clearly seems like somebody is holding the camera, and yeah, the video looks really good. Then we have this amazing cinematic video of a ship that is sailing into the river. And yeah, everything looks really good, and similarly this video as well that we already seen. So yeah, make sure to check out the full video of this tool when it's uploaded. Then in AI coding, we'll be discussing Rabbit's LLM desktop. So in the AI coding section, we have the news regarding Rabbit AI. So Rabbit unveils their LLM desktop. So what is the LLM desktop? LLM desktop basically enables greater control of Linux systems using AI agents, which could, you know, revolutionize the way developers and IT professionals will interact with their systems. So on their official post in X, they have basically announced that happy to share our latest progress, Rabbit HMI, on the mission building generic cross-platform agent systems for everyone. And they have also basically shown us a sample video of how the LLM desktop is going to look like. So you guys can see we have all the functionality just like Linux system, but we have greater control on Linux system, because you guys are familiar like how much trapped the Linux system was, and there were like very less features into that. But now with the help of LLM desktop, you'll be able to customize your Linux system with more and more functionality, okay? And if you go to the official website of rabbit.tech, so you guys can see on their page, they have basically advertised like they have large action model LLM, which will be human-computer interaction from output to action, right? So yeah, these automation of routine tasks could really enhance productivity, and the AI's ability to learn and optimize process could make systems more efficient over time, okay? And lastly, if we talk about LLM, so the tools that we'll be discussing is going to be Meta's Llama. So we have a very huge update from Meta, is that they have collaborated with deep learning AI, and they have introduced their multimodal Llama 3.2. And you know, the course covers both Llama 3.1 and Llama 3.2 and includes details, rundowns, and on multimodal prompting. So yeah, now you'll be able to basically take the 1-hour course for free and learn more and more regarding the multimodal Llama 3.2. So, you know, offering a free course, multimodal AI models provides an accessible learning path for developers, and it will help a lot for researchers and AI enthusiasts. So if you go to this page where we get the AI course like for free, so you guys can see you'll be directed to the deep learning AI website. So now we have a short course introducing multimodal Llama 3.2, and by clicking on enroll for free, you'll be able to sign up with your Google account and enroll for free and get that free course without any problem. So that is for this week's AI news, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next episode of Weekly AI News. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.